Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to send your ebooks and PDF with the students on WhatsApp via Facebook lead ads automatically. So let's take an example that you run an educational institution. To attract the students, you provide ebooks and PDF files of your courses. You have also created a Facebook page to advertise your institution, and you are running Facebook lead ads on that page. So whenever someone clicks on those ads, a Facebook lead ad form will get open. Now you want that whenever a student fills that Facebook lead ad form, in order to know the pricing details of the ebooks, a demo ebook should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the student. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your student from the Facebook lead ads, then compose a message in WhatsApp and send the demo files of your ebooks to the students manually. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes difficult and impossible when you have hundreds and thousands of students and leads in a single day. So how are you going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a student fills the form in your Facebook lead ad form, automatically a demo of your ebook should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the student. But here there is one problem, that there is no direct connection between Facebook and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in connecting and integrating Facebook with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Facebook lead ad form, Lakshya Coaching Classes form, and this is the WhatsApp account of a student. So now I want that whenever a student fills this form, automatically a demo file, a demo ebook should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the student over here. So let us fill this form first. Let us give the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Let's give the full name as Adam Smith, and let's give the mobile number over here, and let's click on next and submit. Here we can see, thanks, you're all set. Now let us check whether this particular student has received the message on his WhatsApp number or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp, and here we can see a new message. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in Lakshya Coaching Classes. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our coaching classes. Link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Address is given. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, Lakshya Coaching Classes. Okay, so a message along with the link is shared with the student. Let us open this link and check what is there in the link. Okay, the file is getting open. And here I can see the file name, that is ebook demo. Okay, so a demo file of a ebook is shared with the student over here. Okay, so now here you might be wondering that I just filled a form over here, a Facebook lead ad form, and automatically the student has received a message, and along with that he has received a demo ebook file also. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps. And anyone can do this very easily. So let me show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect, and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the ebooks to the students on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So at step 3, whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ad forms, the same data will be used, and the demo of your ebooks will be sent to the students on their WhatsApp number. And here we are using 360 dialog application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let's learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll just click on sign in. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on sign up for free option. And I'll just click on sign in over here. In the all apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the name as send demo ebooks on WhatsApp. So you can give the workflow name as per your requirement. I have just given the name as send demo ebooks on WhatsApp. And let's click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a student fills the Facebook lead ad form on our Facebook page, automatically a demo ebook should be sent on his WhatsApp number. So in the trigger application, let us open this trigger window, and here in the application, we are going to search Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, we have to select new lead. Let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. And now here we can see Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the Facebook page and lead generation form. So I'll just take you to my Facebook page. So this is my Facebook page, Lakshya Coaching Classes, and this is the page which I manage. So we have to select this particular page, okay, and this is the lead ad form. I'll just show you the form. It is getting loaded. And this is the lead ad form, Lakshya Coaching Classes itself, okay. So we have to select, go to Pabbly Connect, and here let us select the page as Lakshya Coaching Classes, okay. So if you have multiple forms over here, you can choose it from here. I am selecting this one only. Now before clicking on save and send test request, we have to create an entry. We have to fill up a form, just because here whenever we click on save and send test request, automatically the recent response is going to collect. For that, I'll just go to the form, lead ad forms, and here I'll just create an entry on the name of Shikha Arya 25@gmail.com. I'll give her full name as Shikha Arya, and I'll just give the mobile number over here. And let's click on next, and let's click on submit. Okay, thanks, you're all set. Lakshya Coaching Classes, a form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let's click on save and send test request. Now here we can see the responses received and the details which we have filled. Shikha Arya, her email address and the mobile number is captured over here. Even the data is already captured in the array format also. Okay. So now we are done with the step 1 and 2. That is, we have already created a integration and connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect at step 1. And at step 2, we have captured the data also from Facebook lead ads in Pabbly Connect. Now at step 3, send the ebooks to the students on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So now we have to create an integration with WhatsApp also. So here in Pabbly Connect, let's scroll down. Come to the action window. Here in the action application, let us select 360 dialog. Here in the action event, we have to select send template message. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. So first we have to go to 360 dialog account. I'll just take you to my 360 dialog account over here. So this is the dashboard of 360 dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price. Now here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts. Click on this. And here we can see Generate API Key button. So you have to click on Generate API Key. You have to generate an API key, and once the API key is generated, you have to copy that key, you have to go back to Pabbly Connect and you have to paste the API key over here. So here I have to give you one more important information, that once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. Okay, the same API key can be used many times. Now here we have to give the domain name. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. So once the account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. Okay, I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it over here. So I have received this particular domain name by default, so I'm just pasting this over here. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. Okay, now you have to paste the API key here, then domain name, and then click on save. As I have already created an existing connection before, so I will be choosing this point, that is choose existing connection, and let's click on save. And now here we can see that 360 Dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the student. Okay. So we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp. For that we have to first create a template and get it approved from Facebook. And once the template is approved, the same particular specific template will be used over here. Okay. So I have already created a template and got it approved. I will take you to my 360 Dialog account once again. Here we can find the option that is Manage Templates. Click on this. So these are the templates which I have already created. If you want to create a new template, simply click on this plus sign, Add Template. Here you can give the template name. You can select the category as per your requirement. There are several categories given over here. You can select the language over here. You can select the template type, and here you can give the body of the template, that is the text, whatever you want to send. And then you have to click on Preview and Submit, and you have to send this particular template for the approval from Facebook. So I'll just close this template and I'll open the template which I have already got it approved. Okay, so the template is Send Brochure Final. I'll just open this template. Here we can see hello, and I have given some numbers in curly braces, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you might be thinking why I have kept this in curly braces. Just because these values are going to change every time. These are the body fields. Okay, 1, 2, 3 which I have given in the numbers, these are the body fields. So I have given the template hello. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here the first parameter will be the name of the student. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your institute name or your organization name is going to reflect. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our institution. Here you can attach a link. For more details, you can visit our website. Here you can give the website address. Please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and again you have to give your institution name over here. So this template we are going to use it now, Send Brochure Final. Let's go to Pabbly Connect, and here let us select the template, that is Send Brochure Final. Now here we can see the namespace and language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now here we have to give the recipient mobile number. So the mobile number will be the mobile number of the student that we have got it from Facebook lead ad forms. This will be the mobile number. We have to map this now. Let's go down, and here we are going to map the mobile number from Facebook lead ads, and this was the mobile number. Here we have to give body field 1, example Heather Ali, that is the name of a person. So in our template also, here the first parameter we require is the name. Let us map the name over here. I'll just go to Facebook lead ads once again, and here let us map the name. Now body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. In our template we require thank you for showing your interest in. Here our institute name is going to reflect. So our institute name was Lakshya Coaching Classes. So I'll be just typing Lakshya Coaching Classes here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now here we have to give body field 3, and the example is also given, that is a software. Okay. And here in our template the third parameter requires the services which we offer in our coaching classes we can give. Okay. So let us type coaching classes once again. Okay. And the fourth parameter we have to give a URL is given, HTTPS. Okay. So let's go to the template once again, and here in the fourth parameter we have to give the link. So I'll just take you to the Google Drive where I have saved my particular demo file. So I'll just go to Google Drive, and this is the ebook demo. Here I'll just make a right click, and here I'll just go to the share option, and here we can find get link option. From here we are going to copy the link. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we have to paste the link. Okay. Now body field 5, example is given www.pabbly.com. It means we have to give the website address. So let's go to template, and here in our template also we can see for more details you can visit our website. So here we have to give the website address. So I'll just go to the Facebook page. I'll just copy this link. I'll go to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just paste the website address over here. Now we have to give body field 6, that is example Pabbly, again the name of the institution. Here in the template also thank you, regards, and here we have to give the name of the institute. So I'll just go to Pabbly Connect, and the name of the institute was Lakshya Coaching Classes. I'll simply copy this and I'll type the same over here. Okay. And now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received. Okay. Now let us check whether the student has received any WhatsApp message on his number or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp, and here we can see a new message. I'll just open this. Hello Shikha, thank you for showing your interest in Lakshya Coaching Classes. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check a brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our coaching classes. Here the link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. The website address is given. Please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, Lakshya Coaching Classes. Okay. So here we can see this was the first parameter, Shikha Arya. This was the second parameter, Lakshya Coaching Classes. The third parameter was coaching classes over here. Fourth parameter we have given was the link. Fifth parameter was the website address. And the sixth one was Lakshya Coaching Classes at the last. So in this way we can see that all the parameters have correctly placed over here in this message. Now let us click on this link and check what is shared with this student. So here we can see ebook demo.pdf. It means a demo PDF file is shared with the student, digital marketing. Okay. So PDF file is shared with the student. So I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. So let us check this in the real time. For this, let us once again go to the Facebook lead ads form and let us fill our form over there. I'll just go to Facebook lead ad forms over here and let us give the email address as Sanjay. Sorry, we have to give the email address. So I'll make S small. Sanjay Sharma 36@gmail.com, and let us give the full name as Sanjay Sharma. Let's give the mobile number over here and let's click on next. Submit. Thanks, you're all set. So now let us go to WhatsApp and check whether the student has received the message or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp and here we can see a new message. Hello Sanjay Sharma, thank you for showing your interest in Lakshya Coaching Classes. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Okay, the same message has been sent to Sanjay also. Even the link is also shared and the website address is also given. Let's check the link once again. And here we can find ebook demo.pdf. Okay, so the demo file of the ebook has been shared with Sanjay also. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled by a student, automatically a demo ebook should be sent on the WhatsApp number. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.